How to make a bat out of $1. Start with any bill, fold down one side about half an inch thick, then fold that whole thing in half to create a center crease. Next, line up the edge with the fold to meet the center crease, then bring the point of the triangle to meet the center, then fold this triangle in half while maintaining the point at the left. Reopen and refold at the creases created in the previous steps. Then fold the crease at the left and right points, and then a rectangle where the edge aligns with the triangle. Drag the left side to also align and it should pop into place. Tuck this tiny triangle in, fold the tiny triangle on the other side to match. Open just this point and invert and flatten. Then fold this small triangle to also align, and that triangle in half to form a skinnier triangle. Invert this triangle tip as well. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Make that first triangle, halve that triangle, open and then refold at the previous creases. Flatten, create that edge triangle, and then reopen in that edge aligned rectangle and pushing in on the previous crease, and fold in the tiny triangle, invert, and the final triangle on the edge, and fold it in half for a skinnier triangle. Last, invert that tip. And finally, we're going to flip this over and line up the outer edge with the center crease on both sides. Flip back over and do the same thing on the bottom on both sides. Reopen, pull up the center and flatten at the crease. Pull this tiny triangle down. Reopen, pull outwards and then down to form a mini rectangle. Then fold at that first center crease. And to add a little detail, you can pull in these tips slightly. And you're done. Pull on either end to reveal and you have a bat.